When you're tightening critical flanges, either offshore or onshore, choosing the right pump for your torque jobs can make or break the success of your project. In this simple overview, we'll walk you through the Enerpac range of torque pumps and match these to the scenarios you're most likely to face on the job. In hazardous environments, compressed air is usually readily available, so in these settings, air-driven pumps are the go-to solution. They're engineered to perform in explosive atmospheres without compromising safety or efficiency. The ZA4T series and the more compact LAT series air-driven pumps are built exactly for these environments. They're rugged, 2-speed, and fast on both tightening and breakout, ideal for heavy-duty work cycles in oil and gas and petrochemical settings. Next, let's look at electric torque pumps. In work settings where dependable electric performance matters, consider a ZU4T series pump and experience a high power-to-weight ratio, fast cycle times, and low current draw. Classic models feature an analog gauge and straightforward operation, while the Pro Series includes an LCD gauge, wrench selection, auto cycle, and built-in self-diagnostics. When you're dealing with a high volume of bolts, selecting a pump that can stay cool under sustained use is essential, no matter how hot the environment. ZET series electric pumps feature a fan-cooled induction motor, an LCD display, auto cycle, fully enclosed electronics, and a roll cage for maximum protection in tough environments. Where productivity, simplicity, and cool running are all important, check out the TQ700 series electric pumps. With 3-stage flow, a brushless motor, and integrated cooling, these are a great choice for productive bolting in power generation settings. For intermittent use where quick deployment and simplicity are essential, the LU series torque pump is compact, tough, and purpose-built for these scenarios. With its low-weight design, a small footprint, and balanced lifting points, this pump is perfect for jobs where high-flow pumps are too cumbersome to transport and set up. Finally, let's look at cordless torque pumps. In remote locations where cables and air lines aren't practical, the XC2 series cordless pump comes into its own. A high-performance battery and cool-running brushless motor deliver true go-anywhere flexibility and cordless convenience. Perfect for well pads, elevated pipe racks, and tight offshore decks. So to recap, when you're choosing a torque pump, the key considerations include the working environment, the power sources available, the expected duty cycle, the performance, and portability. That's your Enerpac torque pump range at a glance. For detailed specifications, visit enerpac.com. Thanks for watching.